Gyroscope. Gyro means circular motion or rotation. Angular momentum h bar is equal to I omega bar. Magnitude of h bar h cap is equal to I omega omega cap. Magnitude of angular momentum mod of h bar is equal to I omega. Direction of angular momentum h cap is equal to omega cap. Fleming's right hand thumb rule in the direction of omega. That means we use right hand and rotate in that sense. Then you will get by thumb direction as direction of omega. Case 1. If direction of angular momentum remains same but its magnitude changes with respect to time, t bar is equal to d by dt of I omega bar is equal to d by dt of I omega omega cap is equal to d by dt of I omega omega cap is equal to I d omega by dt into omega cap. T bar is equal to I alpha alpha cap. If alpha cap is equal to omega cap, acceleration. If alpha cap is equal to minus omega cap, retardation. T bar is equal to I alpha bar. Case 2, if magnitude of angular momentum remains same but its direction changes with respect to time. T bar is equal to d by dt of I omega omega cap. T bar is equal to I omega d omega cap by dt. D omega cap by dt is precision velocity. Mathematically, T bar gyroscopic torque is equal to I into omega p bar cross omega bar. Active gyroscopic torque T bar is equal to I into omega p bar cross omega bar Newton meter. From Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Reactive gyroscopic torque T bar is equal to I omega bar cross omega p bar Newton meter. Reactive gyroscopic torque is disturbing torque. Similar to like F centrifugal is pseudo disturbing force mv square by r. F centrifugal mv square by r will be inside, F centrifugal will be outside. Let's take aircraft. This is nose, this is tail, rotor or propeller or turbine or engine which is responsible for the motion. T bar is equal to I omega bar cross omega p bar, which is reactive gyroscopic couple. Object U person V slider O W. Reference frame V omega p. V if frame is undergoing this motion, then V relative. If this is slider and this is rotating, then result will have a correlation. If object is rotating and frame is also rotating omega p, then it will result in alpha gyro. Magnitude T mod of T bar is equal to I omega p Newton meter. Direction T cap is equal to omega cap cross omega p cap. Alpha gyro is equal to omega p radian per second square. Gyroscopic action on aeroplanes. A dash is active gyroscopic torque, A dash A is a reactive gyroscopic torque. We'll see what it is. Observer is on tail side and rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. Observer is here and rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. Observer is here and you can visualize it what is clockwise. Then arrow will be your thumb will be pointing in OA direction and the rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. Nose is rising, that means OA will turn to OA dash and A dash is active gyroscopic couple, A dash A is reactive gyroscopic couple, which means the plane will turn towards your right. We can put the thumb in A dash A direction and we will get it. Direction of angular momentum omega cap spin plus x I cap. We can see here plane yz omega p precision plus z k cap plus k cap xy plane. This you can see nose is rising. Nose is rising means you can, if it is on the plane of paper, then nose is rising. You can put your thumb on right hand on paper and it will point outward the paper. Plus j plus k cap. Reactive gyroscopic torque omega cap cross k cap. Omega cross cap omega p cap, minus y minus j xz plane. Due to reactive torque, the plane will turn towards right side. Okay. Second case, observer is on tail side. Rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. Plane is turning towards right. Plane is turning towards right. Okay. So clockwise OA will be like this. Plane here is turning towards right, which means you have it. We can't show this on paper. It will be like this. And A dash will be here, and A dash here. If you put it, then final result will be nose will fall and tail will rise. Okay. If we see in vector axis, spin plus omega cap plus x plus I cap yz. Same precision omega p cap is in as it is turning towards right, it is minus y cap j cap x y. Reactive gyro omega cap cross omega p cap minus j minus k cap x y cross product. Gyroscopic action on naval ships. Stern aft side bow fore. These are nomenclatures. Stern aft side, maybe side, this is side view, bow or fore. Stern aft bow or fore. Okay, this is port side. LHS is port side. If it is observer is at back, LHS is port side, RHS is starboard side top view. Steering, turning ship either towards starboard side or port side is known as steering. Observer is on stern side. It means this side. Rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. OA, I omega. Yeah, ship is turning towards port side, which means plus K cap. Okay, similar to as before only. Bow will rise due to reactive gyroscopic pop. Bow is this. Bow will rise due to gyroscopic couple. Omega cap plus x plus I yz. React precision omega p cap plus y plus j xz. Reactive gyro omega cap cross omega p cap plus z k y xy. Bow will rise due to reactive gyroscopic couple. Pitching. Axis, transverse axis, polar or longitudinal axis. Transverse axis, the axis which are in x cross section, means this thing, x cross section, xx xy, both are transverse. Longitudinal, the axis which is passing through x cross section, zz. zz. The oscillation of naval ship about horizontal transverse axis is called pitching. Observer is on stern side, rotor rotating in clockwise, bow is rising. This pitching is nothing but rising, this thing, rising. Plus x I cap yz plus j precision omega p plus z plus k cap x y. Reactive gyroscopic omega cross omega e cap omega p cap minus y minus j cap x z. Ship will turn towards starboard side. If pitching is in SHM, if pitching is SHM in nature, displacement equation is equal to theta is equal to theta o sin omega t. Velocity equation during pitching, theta is equal to theta o omega sin cos omega t. Acceleration equation during pitching, theta double dot is equal to minus theta o omega squared sin omega t. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Rolling oscillation of ship about longitudinal axis. Example: observer is on stern side, rotor is rotating in clockwise direction, ship is rolling in counterclockwise direction. Omega p omega cap precision plus x plus I cap yz, omega p cap precision minus x minus I cap yz. Reactive gyroscopic torque will be 0 as cross product is 0. In case of rolling, reactive gyroscopic torque is 0. Okay, now one question. I think this is previous question only. Lifts a car is taking turn, then uh, wheels are spinning minus z minus k cap precision. Wheel is taking like car is taking turn minus y minus j cap reactive minus kx minus I cap. Inner wheels will be lifted. These are workbook questions. Inner loop, outer loop. Based on direction, I can we have to apply forces in this question. Okay, okay. To level for level balancing, not in syllabus.